Hello everyone. I know I probably should be practicing the songs that I already know so I can get better, but I just don't feel like doing that. I just feel like making my own music right now. This is called Cicada Sounds by me. Pen and paper, stay between blue lines. Oh, but the ink's run dry. Same old song for tonight. And someday you'll understand. Maybe I just need your hand. Or someday you'll understand why I'm here, not there. How you hair reminds me of those ocean waves we wade through, all those difficult times we paved over, and I'm here, not there. How your hair reminds me of those ocean waves we wade through, all those difficult times we paved over. Cicada sounds we got so used to. Whoa, Midwest side, it's so loud. Got my brain thinking again. And someday you'll understand. Maybe I just need your hand. Oh, and someday you'll understand why I'm here and not there. How your hair reminds me of those ocean waves we wade through, all those difficult times we paved over. Yeah, I'm here, not there. How your hair reminds me all those difficult times we faced through, those sleepless nights we paved over. Now I'm thankful for the morning, thankful for the sun again. Now I'm thankful for the sun again. I don't know how that turned out, but if this gets uploaded, thank you.